All right, what's good, YouTube? I have something came in the mail yesterday that I've been waiting for from these guys, Deerborn Denim. Now, I'll try to put a link in the description down below. These guys are based, I believe they're based in Chicago. Yep. And it's my first time ordering from them. I ordered a pair of their, these are their 100% cotton classic fit dark wash jeans. So here they are. I got an extra long cut so I can cuff the, them. And they look pretty nice. So I just wanted to talk to you guys about it a little bit. Now, one of the reasons I like Deerborn Denim, like so many things, I'll show you right here, if I can. I don't know if you can see that, made in Chicago, USA. So, fabric is from their one of their factories in Mexico. So, still responsibly sourced, I guess. And you know, it's a nice dark wash. It's 100% cotton. A lot of their stuff, a lot of their denim actually has like a polyester spandex mix in with the denims that gives it some stretch and probably makes it fit really nice too. But excuse me just a sec. All right, sorry about that. Our poor neglected, terribly neglected kitten wasn't getting attention for 5 minutes. Anyway, so a lot of their jeans have more of a stretch fit. The 100% cotton is going to fit more like a traditional denim jean, which I wanted. I understand the denim is mostly pre-shrunk, so there shouldn't really be any shrinkage. I don't generally dry my good denim anyway. I wash it and hang it to dry. But yeah, so I'm gonna throw these on, just take a quick look at how they look on me, how they fit, and we'll go from there. So sit tight. All right, so I've got a little room in the waist, about an inch or so. I probably could have gotten a 33. These are a 34. But they seem to have a decent amount of room in the thighs, which is an area of trouble spot for me, and in the seat. So that's good. They don't feel like they're too cramped up in the crotch. All right, now these are a 34-inch length. I normally take a 32. I got some extra length so I can cuff them. But I just wanted to show you, they're not as long as some 34s I've had. But I think too, they're just bunching up because if you look from the side, they actually have quite a bit of taper from the knee down to the cuff there. So, which is kind of cool. I think that'll give them a little bit more of a tailored look than most classic jeans. And yeah, so let me roll these up a little bit. So let me roll these up a little bit here. I've been cuffing my jeans for years. I guess it's kind of a 50s vintage rockabilly thing, and I just kind of never grew out of it. But I don't know, I just like the way it looks. So yeah, these feel pretty good. I've got a little room for some shrinkage if there is some, but actually the upper leg is more like it's almost like a relaxed fit. I wonder if I should have got a slimmer cut. So I'll just have to do more squats to fill them up. So this is my first outing with Deerborn Denim. I haven't ordered from them before, so you know, we'll just have to see how these go. They did have some other cuts I liked better, but I don't think they had the other cuts available in 100% cotton. I think that was just the classic. So that was the main reason I got this cut. I actually would have preferred something a little bit with a little less room in the thigh than these have. But then I would have had to get into the spandex polyester mix, and I didn't really want to do that. So check out Deerborn Denim. I will put a link down, like I said, down below. They have a variety of different cuts and washes available, and they're American made, so it's hard to beat them. The prices were pretty good too. I don't know if the price is on here. These were $70. Shipping was free, and then they gave a discount for like your first order, and you know, I just filled out the thing on their website for, you know, their mailing list or whatever, and they give you a discount code for your first order, so I saved a little bit of money. But compared to a lot of American-made denim that I've looked at, they're actually pretty reasonably priced. So check them out, show them some love, and I'll catch you next time. Later.